understand how, for example, the Sequoia Capital works, how the venture capitalists, the angel investors work, and all that Silicon Valley stuff. And that was between 2016 to 2018, 19. Um, Also, I was an English teacher in South America, like Colombia and Ecuador. And I also used to work um, s- uh, with there was a Colombian agency for reintegration, presidential agency for reintegration about the peace process, Colombia peace process. I also in a very short period of time I worked also with them. So basically, that's about the experience before the network state. And of course, I also did some other job stuff, like I mean, to get a salary thing, like salary job stuff, and just for curiosity, I even was a tour guide when I was back to Armenia, like Spanish and English speaking tour guide, just trying to. I was working actually with big groups of people who visited Armenia in 2018, 2019. So how I came to the network state, this is very important because it is directly related to the background because before 2020, I mean 2019, 2020, I mean I think it was 2020, early 2020 when the corona started in Armenia. I remember at the time I was in Armenia already. Basically, what happened was because I am also a climate reality leader. I was personally trained by Al Gore, former U.S. Vice President Al Gore. During this period, like 2019, 2020, there was a movement in Armenia called Amulsar movement. Like people were kind of acting against mining concession for Amulsar, and it was a British company that wanted to do this mining called Lydian International, whatever. I don't remember well the details. So I wasn't an environmentalist per se, but I wanted to help the people. So I started writing articles in European outlets, using also Al Gore connections, Al Gore group connections.
Mm-hmm.
And I also sent an open letter to Boris Johnson, then Prime Minister of UK. Why I'm mentioning this? Because I was very actively involved in this, and I could never imagine that a couple of months later, I would think of a network state. And I'm talking about 2020. And in September 2020, a war broke out in my region, in my homeland, Azerbaijan, with the